Hi guys, welcome back. Today's video is about back to school shopping for shoes, and in particular sneakers. Now if you have 1 to 2 kids and you're buying 2 pairs each, that's what, 2 to 4 pairs of sneakers. But if you got 4 kids like I do and you gotta buy 2 pairs each, that's 8 pairs of sneakers. That's a lot of shoes and a lot of money. But I'm a bargain shopper and I can make it work. So last week I went to New Balance Factory in my state and I was able to get 8 pairs of sneakers for under $230. Now that is a deal for me because sneakers these days cost a lot of money. And what's good about it is that my kids are not into name brand yet. My oldest son, he's starting to get there where he has a particular style, particular brand, but he doesn't fight me on it. You know, he's like, okay, mom, I'll just wear these, you know. But I know this is my last year where I can do this, and I'm gonna have to break down and compromise with him of what he wants. Like I was saying, I'm a bargain shopper. My mom always taught me you can go to those high-end stores and get great quality stuff. You just gotta shop clearance if you want to get a bargain. And that's what I do. When I go into the store, I look around for the magical red sign because clearance is always written in red usually, and that's why I shop. And you'd be surprised how much you can save just by shopping in clearance section. Now, most of the clearance sections in almost all stores are in the back of the store because in the front of the store, that's where they put all the new stuff and the more expensive stuff, and that's what they want you to buy. So always go to the back of stores, even like Target or Michael's. The back of the, not even the back of the stores, like the back of the end caps. That's the like if you go down an aisle, the back aisle, the end caps. That's where all the clearance stuff is. So let me show you what I got. I was able to get 8 pairs for under $230, so stay tuned. Okay, so I know you see 10 pairs of sneakers here, but I got 2 pairs of these sneakers from Costco. Now, my kids have big feet. My oldest daughter, Sydney, she wears a size 12 in women's. So I usually have to buy her sometimes men's sneakers. But I found these are actually men's sneakers. I got this pair and this pair from Costco. These were on sale for $19.99. And these were on sale for $15.99. My youngest daughter, who is 8, wears a size 8. So I can't use that phrase, don't act your age, not your shoe size with her, because she is the shoe size of her age. Anyway. But I put in this particular order because this rose to my son Zach, this rose for Sydney, this rose for Christian, and this rose for London. So, Zach sneakers, these originally cost $40 and they were 50% off, and I got it for $20. He liked these. He picked these out. Yeah, but he really likes these. These were on sale. They had sale at the outlet. Buy one at regular price, get another 50% off. So he got these. These were $45 and I paid $35 for these. So he got those. These are Sydney's. What I love about New Balance is that their sizes for women runs up to a 13. So she picked these out. I like them. She loves her blue. She likes almost any shade of blue. But these were originally $54.99 with 50% off, so I paid $27.49 for these. And these were, I love these sneakers. These are only $20. I was like, yeah, we're getting these, and it was in her size, and she was really happy about it because this is one of her favorite color, like aqua and teal or whatever. Now, Christian, my oldest son, he likes this red and gray. He picked these out. These were originally $59.99. I got it for $47. And those sneakers are $49.99, and I got 50% off, only paid $24.99. These sneakers right here. So, yeah, he got big feet too. He's like a size 8.5 in men's. Like I said, I got these for London at Costco for $15.99. But she got these pink ones. These were originally $49.99, and I got for $24.99. And she really likes these sneakers because they're kind of glittery. These were originally $59.99. I got for $29.99. So, like again, I said I spent a total of $230. It was like $229 for all these sneakers, which I think was a great deal, especially when you have a lot of kids. You know, I always try to find sales and find something that's cheaper, but still good quality. Now, my son, Christian, he wants a pair of high tops, so I know eventually I'm going to have to buy him a pair. But I think this is a great deal. Always check your outlets and see what's out there, you know, because it can save you some money, especially when you have a lot of kids. Not bad, huh? Who says you can't get good quality stuff for cheap? Guys, thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time on the channel, welcome. Thank you for stopping by and watching my video. Please give it a thumbs up if you like this video. Hit that subscribe button down below. Don't wait. What are you waiting for? Just do it. Come on. I'm waiting. Don't be scared. Just do it. And also put on your notification bell so you know when I put up a video. Thank you so much for watching. And until we meet again, guys, have a very blessed day.